So, Arsenal 4, Crystal Palace 1. Crystal Palace in the gutter. Arsenal, what a masterclass. First 25 minutes was a little bit iffy, a little bit cagey. And after that, total domination of a football match. Before we get into talking about the game, who was great, who was exceptional, the goals, all the action, the talking points, make sure you stick a thumbs up on the video. Share the content around. Second channel, Lee Reacts, in the description. Do go and show that channel some love. It's pushing close to 10K. So go and show that some love. Check out all the videos on there as well. Latest video dropped on Friday, and there'll be a lot more videos coming on there, more regular as well, rather than one a week. So make sure you check that out as well. But after the embarrassment, the disappointment, and being ashamed on Thursday by Sporting Lisbon, we've bounced back today. The bigger fish is now been seasoned, and it is in the frying pan, ready to be fried. 10 more games to go, and we're 8 points clear of Manchester City. The pressure is on them. Yes, we do have pressure. Obviously, we haven't won a title for so long, but we've put a massive gap between us and them. Yes, I know they've got a game in hand, but for the first 25 minutes, it looked like we were just in cruise control. It looked like we had already wrapped up the league, giving the ball away, sloppy passes, wrong decision-making, shooting instead of passing instead of shooting. Wilfried Zaha nearly scored off the post, hit the keeper on the back of the legs and nearly went in. They had another chance, clean through on goal, and they missed that. And after that, Martinelli scored an unbelievable goal. What a goal that was. Absolutely top class. Yeah, that's now 13 for the season in the league. And he's been superb. People have been putting him in the gutter a lot, saying, oh, he's not this, he's not that. Rival fans can't stand him, we get that. But a lot of our own fans have been putting him in the mud. The guy's been sick. And let's be real, he's been doing this with an inverted left back behind him. Yeah, somebody that's coming into midfield, not overlapping him. He's not got Kieran Tierney running around the back and putting balls in and interchange. He hasn't had Jesus for a large part of the season as well. Fair play to Gabriel Martinelli. I thought he was quality. His goal was sick. Trossard, again, very, very good. That guy is so good, man. I love watching him play. Such a sick footballer. And obviously, Bukayo Saka getting a brace. He actually nicked an assist for the Martinelli goal. This is why I don't count assist stats, because he weren't aiming there. And it luckily bounced through to Martinelli, who scored. But listen, Bukayo Saka's goals today, two beautiful finishes. Absolutely quality. The second one was insane. Yeah, running onto that whippage, straight in, great goal. The first one, more of a casual little pass into the bottom corner. Ben White, for me, was man of the match. I thought he was unbelievable. Now, I've seen people trying to blame him for their goal. Right? What game were you watching? Right? No way in a million years was that Ben White's fault. Like, no way in a million years. Martin Odegaard today, orchestrating the midfield, popping the ball around, floating to the right, played absolutely quality. Only thing missing from his game today was a goal. And he had a couple of shots that were high, wide, and handsome, but he played very, very well. Thomas Partey, though, can we just talk about how good this guy is again? For me, Ben White was man of the match. Thomas Partey was literally millimeters behind him for getting man of the match for me. He was everywhere today, literally everywhere. He nearly scored a great goal as well from a long-range effort, but up and down that pitch, bouncing off of players, running forward, going in behind, getting back, getting down the wings, slide tag. He was absolutely everywhere. What a player that guy is. And we're going to need him, man. Hopefully none of these players go on international break. I think that's come at the right time for us as well, if I'm being honest. So I think the last few games and 25 minutes of today, after that, it was a masterclass, I can't lie. But the last few games and the first 25 minutes today, it looks like we're getting a little bit worn out. But then as soon as we got the goal, their heads dropped and it was game over. I know they got back in the game with a goal at 3-1. Zaha nearly had another goal. But after that, Kieran Tierney, man, let's just talk about my left back. My left back. It's about time people put some respect on Kieran Tierney's name. The forgotten man. Oh, it don't matter. Yeah, get rid of him. He's always injured. No, he ain't. Yeah, and we see when he came on today, he basically killed the game off. Yeah, the reverse pass for Saka's goal, the fourth goal. Come on. Yeah, most people in this league can't cross a ball. This guy can consistently cross a ball well. Yeah, not only that, his determination, his work rate, and his effort today when he came on. What a great substitutes performance that was. He was quality when he came on. Yeah, passing, movement, tracking back, winning his duels, winning his battles. Yeah, forward thinking, always wants to get up the pitch. top player, man. We've got to keep this guy. We need to give him more game time. Like, real talk, we need to rotate some of these players at times. Now, I like the fact that the manager subbed off some bigger players, some of the more first-team players when he did. Half an hour to go, subs were coming on. That was nice to see. And listen, Man City have got a lot of work to do to catch us. I know Erling Haaland's flying. He scored 8 goals this week, but they're 8 points behind us. Now, and I know they've got a game in hand. We play Leeds United. I've seen enough of Leeds United over the last few years to know we're slapping them on the 1st of April. Absolutely pumping them. I would not be surprised if it's more than 4. Yeah, they cannot defend. They are not good. Yeah, we're going to go and pump them. A new record set today by Mikel. He set a good record. Come on. First team in English football history to win 9 derbies, London derbies, in a season. Big up Mikel Arteta. Yeah, I thought he got his spot on today. I thought after that disappointment, I was fuming before the game started today. I was still angry that we got knocked out of the game against Lisbon the other day. But that is one way to shut everyone up that is angry about that. Go and win the league. Go and put performances in like that. Yeah, that last 70 minutes or so of that game, we were absolutely untouchable. They couldn't really get near us. I know they had a couple of chances here and there, but it was scraps, absolute scraps. Yeah, top draw performance. Rob Holding came in today. I thought he played great. Yeah, I thought he played great. Yeah, and I don't like him at all. I can't stand him. Why is he still here? Yeah, but I thought he was superb today. Yeah, Gabriel Magalhaes, he's been our best defender all season. Again, he showed why. They had top-class performances. Ramsdale's distribution today, elite. They did one drop kick, and I think Jesus was Saka, sorry. Yeah, clean through on the right wing. Like, every single one of them today was superb. Every single one of them. And now they've got a couple of weeks break. Hopefully none of our players go on internationals. And hopefully we come back and absolutely wipe the floor with Leeds. And fingers crossed, the Scousers go and get Sank at the Etihad. Because if they do, that's massive. Yeah, and then we go there the following week. They've got Chelsea in between, by the way, Liverpool, which is kind of giving me a little bit more confidence than I normally have. Listen, we get panned every time we go to Anfield, but they go to the Etihad. Then in the midweek, they've got Chelsea. Then they've got Arsenal. That's 3 big games in a row. Yeah, and the way they've been playing this season, there ain't no way they're winning all of them. So we've got to hope that they get their win against Man City. And then hopefully when we play them, we go and get a win at Anfield. And I think if we do that, the title's done. But it's all ifs, buts and maybes at this point. The fact and reality is we are 8 points clear. We are closing in on the goal difference, which is something we need to rack up. Go and pam these teams. Go and keep scoring 3s and 4s and 5s. Now, don't just let the foot off the gas when you're 4-0 up or 3-0 up. And I like that today. Today, we were still trying to get the goal difference up. And that's obviously something Mikel Arteta has obviously said to them, because we didn't look like we wanted to slow down the play and just play out the game. We wanted to rack up that goal difference. And we're only 2 behind Man City on goal difference. So go and beat Leeds comfortably. We could have a better goal difference than them. Who knows? But one thing I do know, that was a joy to watch today. Yeah, and they needed a big result after that shit show the other day. So yeah, big up to the lads, big up to the manager. Yeah, the stadium looked rocking today. Kenny's fan cam's coming shortly as well, so keep your eyes peeled. He's at the game. And yeah, man, the international break now is just rest, recuperate, go again on the training ground, implement some ideas, work on things that are not working very well, work on things that are working well, make sure you hone them in. Yeah, make sure that defense is watertight, because these last 10 games are going to feel like an eternity. I can't lie. Yeah, we've been there, done this. I've seen us win league titles. The last 10 games, when you've got Man City chasing you down, is going to be very, very difficult. So, listen, it's great that we're top of the league. It's great we're 8 points clear, but at the same time, we ain't won it yet. I still think we will. I still think we're winning it, but we haven't won it yet, and we can't get complacent. And from what I've seen out there today, they want to fry that fish. That fish needs to be fried. You know, throwing 3 cups away, they have to win that league. They have to win it. Otherwise, it's an extremely disappointing season. And it'll be, like I said the other day, exactly the same season as whoever finishes top 4. If Tottenham get top 4, we've got the same season as them if we don't win anything. So let's hope we do. Yeah, like I said, the fish has been caught. The fish is in the fryer. It's been seasoned. Just need to turn on the grill. We're cooking on gas, baby. Come on. What a win, man. What a win. What a performance, man. And that every single person that went to that game on Thursday, yeah, and then went today, big up, man. Yeah, big up, because that on Thursday was shocking. That today was top class. And now we have to do that 10 more times. But make sure you keep your eyes peeled for Kenny Ken's fan cam. Stick a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you follow the second channel, Lee Reacts. Go and check that out, people. We're out of here. Laters. Come on.